Shalom, this is Doug with Douglas V Amateur Radio and More. I got the new cabinet shelving unit up. I assembled it on the 4th of July, but I didn't have time to put it up before I went over to my parents' house. I started putting this up over the weekend, and before I went out to Texas. And I got the case all together and that top cross piece, and I realized I actually did need this bottom cross piece, cross brace, whatever it's called, so that the bottom one wouldn't sag so much, with any weight on it. I first started just using wood screws, and then I mounted it up with these star drive construction screws. But on the bottom here, I did use construction screws to mount that one. I might just start using that from now on. That way I only have one type of screws to keep on hand. But it is a lot cleaner, a lot more organized. I'll be able to do a lot more on the bench. It does look a little unlevel, but this building is slightly not level, so I just tried to level it as best I can with a small level. But it's a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and I get more room. I did have my wife help me a little bit to keep it hold it up there, so I wasn't trying to do too much balancing. But this is fairly light. I did use solid wood rather than plywood. It was a little more expensive than plywood, but I didn't want to have to do more cutting to get the job done. Yeah, I've still got everything. Everything powers up. I'm gonna get the mic holders mounted after I get back, after the 13th. Don't know if I'm gonna have time when I get back on Sunday the 13th to do that, but chores around the house, benefits of being a homeowner. Got some more cleanup to do, work on some JS8 call when I get back, and some more cleanup. But that's it for now. I'm going to paint it sometime, maybe after I put drywall up and figure that out. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm likely going to have the power run down underneath from over here from the battery over there, or somewhere up here. And I'm going to do the same thing with the power and use some sort of like entertainment system holes, 2 gig boxes or whatever. I've got the coax coming in down there. Kinda can see the hole there. And I'm going to run it up. And I'm probably going to take the power distribution, recess it into there, and put one of those HDMI open cords so I can just run things through up here. But that may be for a cooler time of year, maybe October or so. Little projects as I'm home. Learn a lot more as I go. This is partly one of those and more parts of the channel. A little woodworking, little things that help out with everything around the house and with everything in ham radio. Shalom, 73. Have a great week.